Phrame is...
So this is Valerie and Charlene, and we're talking about Phrame.
Yes.
Valerie, what's Phrame all about? You want to take it away?
Yes, absolutely. So Phrame is a smart license plate frame. You simply replace your license plate frame with this, and you store your key inside. It's radio frequency proof. So once this is locked, you can go off to Hawaii, Fiji. You might have 10 cars. You can manage all of them through this car share. You can have your groceries delivered to your trunk, packages, even your laundry, and as well as oil, gas. Everything is delivered to you through our ecosystem.
Do you want to add something to that?
She did she did a great job.
How did the company start?
It started with my co-founder's idea. So he wanted a lockbox that you can simply just put in your car key there. And we've met, and for me personally, I wouldn't do that. So we've worked together to make it smarter, to put sensors, GPS in it, to add the security, because this is a new idea. We wanted to make sure that people will be open to it and socially receptive.
So how do my viewers find out how to start using it?
Sure, so just go to
Phrame.com?
Easy
You
enough.
got the URL for that?
Yes, sir.
Wait, high five! High five! Oh, that's cool! Congratulations!
Thank you.
Wow, great presentation, yes? Great, folks, check it out.